special season that comes just once a year. So many things we cherish, so many we hold dear. The stockings on the mantle, the greetings of good cheer, the smell of Christmas cookies, the music that we hear. Every fa la la la, every rum pum pum pum, every ring a ling dong ding. When I hear the sounds of Christmas, I just want to sing. Every silvery bell, every joyful Noel, every sentimental Christmas song. When I hear the sounds of Christmas, I have to sing along.
Ho, ho, ho. It's pretty clear that we all feel the very same way, Randy. Am I right, gang?
When you hear the carols, silent sound, sung outside your door, and the Christmas music is calm, played in every stall is bright, when the snow is falling, and lights are on the tree. That's a time for singing together, you and me. Every fa la la la, every rum pum pum pum, every ring a ling dong ding. When I hear the sounds of Christmas, I just want to sing. Every silvery bell, every joyful Noel, every sentimental Christmas song. When I hear the sounds of Christmas, I have to sing along. When I hear the sounds of Christmas, I have to sing along. Sing along.
It looks like there's just one person left. It's your turn, Cameron.
Oh boy!
Tell me, what brings a fourth grader from Lincoln Elementary School to the North Pole?
Gee, Santa, it's the North Pole. What kid wouldn't want to visit?
That's true. We get a lot of requests for that.
Do you like to sing, Cameron?
Sure,
And I've noticed you're good at dancing.
thanks.
So I'm guessing you came here to be a star.
I mean, yeah, if that's allowed.
Why wouldn't it be?
Well, I'm just a regular kid. I'm not a snowman, or a reindeer, or even from the North Pole. But I have lots of Christmassy skills.
Really? Like what?